After buying our new camper, we were excited to take it on our first real road trip, but it wouldn't be without obstacles. First, we're going to Sanger, California. Sanger is a very agricultural-centered town in Fresno County, established in the late 1800s. It's really just a rail stop. There's really nothing there. There's not even an actual real town of Sanger. The only town nearby is, in fact, Fresno. But they have some beautiful camping there and a beautiful, large lake. Now, before I start the story, it's important to know that this last winter, California, especially Southern California, got hit with crazy winter weather. The mountains got inundated with snow. The valleys got inundated with rain. In fact, even where we are, saw snow. And a lot of the lakes in Southern California did, in fact, flood. Now, the campsites here in Sanger flooded very heavily, and a number of the campsites to this day are still underwater. In order to get to Sanger, we have to go through Bakersfield, and more importantly, in the nervous part, because I am towing this camper with a little baby Bronco Sport, was having to drive over the Grapevine, over these mountains, and I wasn't sure how the Bronco would perform.
There's a stairway that leads to nowhere. You can bet that's where I'll be. After sunset, it's dark and quiet, and there the stars can talk to me. And I fell in love with the night. All alone and alright. Here I found serenity. In a stairway that leads to nowhere, dreams keep flowing constantly. I see the places that led me back here, friendly faces.
We're stopped just outside of Bakersfield. There's a lot of traffic in the it had us get off on a side road. Then we had to stop. Wife had to pee. I'm gonna top off the tank. But this is our first somewhat longer distance with this newer camper trailer, and I just wanted to see how the tires are. Luckily, these are actually new. But you know, you want to be careful with the trailer tires that you're not going, speeding like a crazy person, because these small wheels are spinning twice as fast and working twice as hard as your normal car wheel. I'm curious on your thoughts, guys. I don't have a TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system, and there's some real nice ones that'll just fit right on here, and they'll read out not only your tire pressure, but some will actually tell you the temperature. And so that's kind of what I'm also feeling for, but it's feeling fine. I know they greased them up a little bit at Camping World, so I'm not too concerned about it. I was just doing an inspection of these. Some of these were a little loose, and that's all right. These tighten. These do just spin and tighten. You want to make sure they're not too tight, because they will snap off easily on you. They're not there to necessarily completely hold this down. But yeah, I was coming down on my way to Bakersfield, some pretty big hills, and we were going a little too fast. I should have slowed down. And the vibrations, they're going to loosen these things up. So it's important when you stop, try and do a good walk around of your trailer. Like, look at this thing's coming off. Just check on things. I was getting gas. I'm one of those annoying people that if we're going to stop and use the facilities, I'm going to stop and get gas, even if I don't need it. I just love having a full tank of gas. Wait.
Tell me why Never Never Land is never there. Tell me why you never, never cared. Underneath me lies a quaking heart that slows its beating when we're apart. Tell me why your schemes always seem real to you. Tell me why when you believe in something you never see it through. I keep withstanding reprimanding scars and wondering whether we'll be together again. Tell me why you leave your handkerchief for me to find. Tell me why when I return you claim that you never left it behind. Underneath me lies a quaking heart that slows its beating when we're apart. I keep withstanding reprimanding scars and wondering whether we'll be together again. Tell me why. Tell me why. Tell me
For those of you curious about having a pop-up without a bathroom in it, I was looking for one without a bathroom because we never would ever use it, and because that extra weight would put me over the limit for my little baby Bronco. Most of the campsites almost always have some sort of restroom, unless you're really trying to boondock or something crazy. I will say the restrooms here make me wish I had a bathroom. So that is beautiful Sanger, California, at the Island Park Campground, part of the National Forestry Service. It is, government ran campsite. Beautiful. Loved it. Can't wait to go back. The lake is beautiful. Obviously, you can tell by the campsites that we were parked on like the side of the parking lot, and that's where the hookups for the camper were. And then our campsite more or less was up the steps where we could cook and enjoy ourselves. But you know what? For $30 a night, I guess you can't complain. You're also right by a beautiful lake, and there's a lot of fun things to do around there, and the people were great. So I have no complaints. Highly recommend if you're at all near the Sanger area and you love camping, check out Island Park. It was a beautiful joy, and I can't wait to go back again.
When I look at you, I see Georgia. I see sunshine headed my way. I feel love like no other, a baby and a mother, sweetest thing that I'll ever be. When I hold you close, I hold everything. Every breath you take, a song I'll sing. I'll find love like no other, a child with my lover, sweetest thing that I've ever seen. Georgia ain't that far away, and I know it. She's been showing up at my door, tugging at the sleeves of our indifference and begging us to get back to before. When I look at you, I see Georgia.
I'll see you next year. Our internet works right now. I love you too.
We set up.
I'll see you next year.
By we,
Our internet works right now.
I mean the wife. We have internet.
All right.
Thanks
see
to
you soon.
T-Mobile.
Okay, go ahead. All right.
That's T-Mobile internet. It worked. How many bars do we have? 2 bars. Say hi to the bunny.
Hi to the bunny.
And we have a good day. Successful day.
Very successful.
Tell me why Never Never Land is never there. Tell me why you never, never cared. Underneath me lies a quaking heart that slows its beating.
Here at Trader Bubba, we let freedom ring. But you know what? You should answer this call to freedom by hitting the open road. And if you are at all interested in what it's like to be out on the open road, camping, living the outdoor life, watch my other video.